What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Ooh, that sun flare. Pretty random one today. I was actually on my morning commute. Saw something I've never seen before. I saw a cruise ship docked in downtown Sacramento. I was headed to West Sac over the bridge, dropping off the baby for daycare, and I saw a cruise ship docked downtown. I've never seen that in my life. So I decided anything unique, anything interesting, usually I do just like a little video of it. So I just figured I'd make a little quick, not really a vlog because I'm not even shooting. All I have is my phone, but just a little video just for evidence of a huge, I mean, it's not huge, it's a good sized cruise ship downtown. So I'm gonna go check it out, get some video clips and share it here. And yeah, pretty simple, but something interesting. So enjoy it.